Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Alexa to Matter smart locks, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your Matter smart lock is fully set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Open the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. Tap on the device's icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the Devices section, tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Select Add Device from the options that appear. Choose Lock from the list of device types. Next, find and select your Matter smart lock brand from the list provided. Follow the prompts to connect the smart lock to your Wi-Fi network if you haven't done so already. Once the lock is selected, tap on Continue to proceed with the setup. You may be prompted to sign in to your Locks account for verification. Upon successful sign-in, follow any additional setup instructions provided by the app. After the configuration is complete, return to the main device's screen in the Alexa app. Tap on Locks to view your connected Matter smart lock. To test the connection, say, "Alexa, lock the front door," or whatever name you assign to your lock. Monitor the response to ensure the command was executed correctly. If you encounter any issues, verify that both your Alexa device and smart lock are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Additionally, check that your Matter smart lock is fully compatible with Alexa. You should now have successfully connected your Alexa to your Matter smart lock. Enjoy the convenience of managing your lock with voice commands. If needed, consult the user manuals for troubleshooting or additional features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.